Ever stared at your phone, a knot of worry tightening in your stomach, wondering when you'll be able to access your Beforepay funds again? You're not alone. Getting locked out of your hard-earned cash advance can be frustrating, especially when you need it most. So, how long will your Beforepay account actually be blocked? Let's dive into the common reasons and what you can expect. Beforepay, like any financial service, has measures in place to protect both its users and the platform itself. This means account blocks, while inconvenient, are sometimes necessary. The duration of these blocks can vary significantly depending on the reason behind them. One of the most frequent causes for a temporary block is an overdue repayment. If you've missed your scheduled repayment date, Beforepay will often temporarily restrict your access until the outstanding amount is settled. In many cases, once the payment is successfully processed, either automatically or manually by you, the block is lifted relatively quickly, often within 24 to 48 hours. Setting up autopay or ensuring sufficient funds are available before your due date can help you avoid this situation altogether. Another common trigger for account suspension is unusual activity. If Beforepay's system detects login attempts from unfamiliar devices or locations, or if there are multiple failed login attempts, your account might be temporarily locked as a security precaution. This is designed to prevent unauthorized access. In such instances, you'll typically need to go through a verification process, which might involve confirming your identity via email or SMS, or contacting Beforepay's support team. Once your identity is confirmed, the block is usually removed promptly. More serious violations of Beforepay's terms of service can lead to longer or even permanent account blocks. This could include providing false information during sign-up, attempting fraudulent transactions, or engaging in other activities that violate their policies. In these situations, the duration of the block will depend on the severity of the violation and Beforepay's internal review process. It could range from several days to a permanent suspension. Sometimes, account blocks can occur due to technical issues on Beforepay's end. While less frequent, system maintenance or unforeseen glitches can temporarily impact account access. In these cases, Beforepay usually works diligently to resolve the issue as quickly as possible, and updates are often provided through their app or social media channels. These types of blocks are typically the shortest in duration. If your account has been blocked and you're unsure why, the best course of action is always to contact Beforepay's customer support directly. They will be able to provide you with specific information regarding the reason for the block and the estimated time frame for resolution. You can usually find their contact information within the Beforepay app or on their official website. Be prepared to provide them with your account details so they can assist you efficiently. Understanding the common reasons for account blocks and knowing how to address them can alleviate some of the stress associated with this situation. By staying on top of your repayments, being mindful of your account activity, and communicating with Beforepay's support when needed, you can minimize the chances of prolonged account restrictions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.